Tired of sending SMS messages one by one? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock the power of bulk SMS in Follow Up Boss. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Once you're in, navigate to the People section on the left-hand menu. Now, select the contacts you want to message. You can use the filters at the top to segment your list based on tags, stage, or any other criteria. For example, let's filter for all leads with the interested tag. With your contacts selected, click the Bulk Actions button. This is usually located near the top right of the screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Send SMS. A new window will pop up where you can craft your message. Now it's time to write your SMS. Keep it concise, engaging, and personalized. Remember to include a clear call to action. You can even use merge fields like first name to automatically personalize each message. Before sending, double-check everything. Ensure your message is error-free and targeted to the right audience. Preview the message to see how it will look on recipients' phones. Once you're happy with your message, click the Send button. Follow Up Boss will start sending your bulk SMS. And that's it. You've successfully sent a bulk SMS in Follow Up Boss. Now you can reach your audience quickly and efficiently.